This is my outfit.
Ma,
I will show
ako
you
na
my
yung
outfit.
deleton. Ma, ako na yung deleton.
Ayaw.
Kaya ba okay? Hindi man yung madownload be.
Siguro. Hello. I thank you for watching. Where's my hair? But siguro, bibito. Na 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 na. Ipalang mo yung electric fan, Mac. Ay, palo nga ba? Hello. Oh my god. I'm appreciating my outfit. It's sexy. Hi, Mama Sia. Hi, thank you so much. Last time you gave me 10 out 20, but now only 10. I hope others will give too.
Yung may ma-download be.
Ayaw, tama na.
Na, daan na di mo na
How about the
matuplo.
others? You can send support by that. Just like Mehmet Sia did. I hope you also help me. Ayaw, magtito na ba? Oh, my son is disturbing me. When I go live, she always talking to me.
Na, mag-delete
Look,
lagi.
what's this? It's just a mental. When I can't sleep, I will put some here in part of it. So I feel like
Gusto ko i-delete
cool.
ani.
You have this in your place. Sometimes, especially in morning, 3 a.m. when I wake up, I go to pee and I can sleep back. I use this put in massage here and massage, so I can sleep easily. And sometimes when I feel anxiety, I can't hardly breathe. I don't know whether my acid reflux will go when it's cause my heartburn, so I can hardly breathe at that time. So I use this one to relieve that. So I feel like it's cold,
Ma,
and this is just mental.
ma.
Hi, how about the others? How about Benjamin? You can send super chat,
Kung sa
super thanks
kukuan
here
sa
in my life. Oh,
sitting.
sarang ganda. Oh my God, look my son. Oh.
Kukuan kong sitting gani kay mag-iris ko.
Ah, buksan mo. Papasukin ako. I need to have live so everybody notice me that I'm still here. Sometimes at night time, I feel like I'm tired, so I can't go for live because I don't have my concentration, my mood. Also, I sleep earlier, and because I'm trying to uh, everything cleaning in the house, laundry, and prepare food for my son and my mother. My mother is 79 years
Very
old.
stupid.
Sometimes she can able to cook because she feels like pain in her body. So I am a caregiver of my mother and my son.
Ma, nasugot na
Where
pong
are you
sakit yan
guys?
is kay nadugay man.
Wala ka ng toothbrush.
Di,
Toothbrush ito.
Hmm?
I'm talking to my son. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Thank you, Mehmet Sia. Shout out.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. The views.